So you're doing every barrel's or every bottling is a single barrel.
Mm-hmm.
You're putting up how many barrels a month of bourbon?
I try to do 4 barrels a month. You know, we have a 250-gallon batch system.
So are all your barrels upstairs?
Oh yeah. Yep.
And all your barrels are stored on the 4th level?
Yep.
Is that
4th
correct?
floor. It's kind of a unique space. I know in the state it's no temperature control up there. It kind of mimics an old school Kentucky rick house. We have, you know, gets down to maybe the mid 30s in the winter, upper 90s in the summer, and those nice temperature swings, just moving everything in and out of the barrel, nice low and slow, which, you know, definitely contributes to the flavor profile
Sure.
that we have.